You might already be familiar with some of the technology in the R980. Trimble ProPoint is the name given to the GNSS processing engine that gives us fast, precise and robust initializations. We can work in challenging GNSS environments, near buildings, nearer and even under trees, and work happily in urban canyons. As part of ProPoint, we also have IonoGuard. Solar activity peaks once every 11 years, with the next spike predicted to be in 2025. This has a direct impact on delays and stability of GNSS signal and a negative impact on precise positioning. With IonoGuard, Trimble is mitigating these effects in receivers enabled with Trimble ProPoint. Trimble Inertial Platform, or TIP, provides inertial-based tilt compensation positioning. This means that we can measure a point even when the pole isn't perfectly plumb. It allows users to work safer, faster, and smarter by collecting each point as they go, rather than having to go back and collect them later, or even worse, having to break out their total station for. With Xfill, your R980 will continue to measure even when your local correction stream has dropped out. You might be in a patchy cellular environment, you might be on the cusp of your UHF radio range. With Xfill, an L-band delivered satellite correction will step in automatically and allow you to keep measuring even when those other sources don't. When you purchase a new Trimble R980, you'll also get an initial 12-month subscription to Trimble's Centrepoint RTX correction service. Centrepoint RTX is a satellite delivered correction, or it can be delivered via internet protocol, and it gives you the freedom to keep working even when you don't have a VRS network or a local UHF base station. The new R980 is available for sale now. If you'd like a demo or if you're ready to make a purchase, contact your local Trimble distributor.